Boom shakalaka, guys. What is going on? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today we are going to be talking about Loom Network. This is one that exploded over the past week. We're going to take a look at why, and then we're going to eat some brains with CryptoZombies. Alright, so Loom Network over the past week just freaking exploded. It went from 30 cents to 71 cents, somewhere 75 cents even, and then now it's back down to 60 cents. Whoo! There's good reason for this. Loom Network, which before was only listed on KuCoin, was just added to Binance last week. Because of that, much higher volume, higher trading volume, more people able to get it, more people have Binance accounts and KuCoin accounts. Price shot up. Now, does that mean you should buy right now? Well, there's a little bit of a pullback. Honestly, if it were me, I might wait a little bit more, because if you take a look, about a 50% pullback on this will be right around 5,000 Satoshis. So right now it is at 6,000 Satoshis. Maybe a little bit more of a pullback could be a good idea to get into it if you like it. I kind of like it, but that's just me. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about why it may be cool, what obstacles it may have to overcome. For those of you who wanted to, you could get it on Binance, KuCoin, all that stuff. But anyways, $351 million market cap, $75 million daily volume, all right? A billion total Loom circulating supply is a little over half of that, at 577 million. Now, just taking a look at the historical data, you can see the trading volume was like a million, until 3 days ago just spiked up, and now there's a lot more people buying it, trading it, all of that fun stuff. That's what happens when you get on Binance. Boom! Now, taking a look at Loom. What is Loom? It's the next generation blockchain platform for large-scale online games and social apps. So they're not going after like the cryptocurrency aspect. They're still having a tradable token, but they're going after online games and social apps because they know that is huge. Apps are like the biggest thing since sliced bread. Everybody wants to have an app. It used to be, for the past few years, building an app that made you money on the App Store was pretty profitable. Now, we are at the very beginning of dApps, and Loom is actually a way where you can learn to create dApps. So you can go make your Tinder dApp, and you can go make millions of dollars from that. All right, so you can go do that. You're welcome for that idea. You know, just throw me some of the proceeds when it ends up working out, you know? But anyways, they say think of World of Warcraft and Twitter on the blockchain built on Ethereum. Well, I think of World of Warcraft, I think of Twitter. They're both absolutely huge, very computationally intensive, very high processing power, lots of transactions per second. And then I think of Ethereum, which doesn't have many. It doesn't have many. Doesn't have many. It doesn't have many. Definitely doesn't have many. Ethereum has like next to no transactions per second. What is it, like 25? Something like that. But it could improve. It could improve. Ethereum has things like Raiden Network to help with scalability. They're working on sharding, so Casper, you might have heard of that. All of that stuff, they're working on it. So scalability may be solved. But if you think back, it wasn't too long ago, CryptoKitties came out and crashed the entire Ethereum network. So that just makes me think, maybe, okay? But Loom Network, they have a dApp chain generator. So basically with each dApp, you make your own dApp chain. So they're not actually really on the Ethereum network per se, not on the Ethereum main chain. So they're for games and social apps. You use token-based karma, Ethereum-based crypto collectibles, all based on forkable, decentralized, and human-reading blockchain rule sets. So they have games. One of the popular ones, CryptoZombies, we'll be taking a look at later. Also, social. So they're looking to do like Twitter stuff on blockchain. I wonder if they owe any like rights to CryptoZombie for taking that name. I wonder. That would be cool, right? Now, what are Loom Network dApp chains? They're fully featured blockchains that are built to run in parallel with Ethereum smart contracts. They're an advanced form of Ethereum sidechains optimized for scaling data rather than financial transactions. So probably won't be putting everything on the blockchain. All right, it may be like a second layer type solution. Every dApp runs on its own sidechain, meaning data is public and forkable just like Ethereum and Bitcoin. You create your dApp chain with the Loom SDK, choose your own consensus mechanism, build your own rule set, and yada, yada, yada. You don't have to implement the consensus layer. You just focus on building your app. And that is cool. that right now there's not many dApps, but there's going to be a lot in the future. So imagine getting in on the ground floor of dApps. That's why I find this so exciting. Not because of the investment of Loom, although it'll probably do well if more people use it, but because of the general adoption of dApps. So how it maintains its speed, it uses an Infura-like caching layer to make things easy, but is real blockchain underneath. So forkable, trustable, permanent, scalable. Now, they didn't write a white paper. They don't write white papers. Fuck white papers, you know? Fuck Facebook. Fuck white papers. But they ship products. So they already have their first dApp out there, Delegate Call. So this is a Q&A site where you can actually earn Loom tokens on here by doing things. So they have a whole bunch of questions about them, and you can actually earn Loom by interacting with that. Then they have CryptoZombies, which you learn to code Ethereum dApps by coding your own game. Very cool. I'm doing this. Then there's ETHFiddle, where then once you learn Solidity, you can share your code. There's already over 10,000 users. You can share your code, and then that's cool because then you can see what other people have done. You can learn from it. You can help out the community. Very cool. That's one thing I love about cryptocurrency is it's very community-based. You know, we're like a community that's growing. Then there's Solidity X, which is a programming language built on top of Solidity that helps work with some of the bugs. So basically it's a superset of Solidity that compiles down to secure Solidity for development, avoiding known pitfalls. They say better the bugs you know than the bugs you don't. And then they have their blog, so you can make your own CryptoKitties style game, blah, blah, blah. In terms of a team, they have a pretty big team. Now, I didn't look into the team in depth here, but they have a pretty big team, and they're getting shit done. That's the important thing, getting shit done. Now, with their SDK, there's this is a Medium article, but it's some pretty interesting stuff. So the tokens are ERC20 compatible. They're also ERC721, so think CryptoKitties. They have Byzantine fault tolerance, PBFT, and also delegated proof of stake. And then there's a whole bunch more information here using .NET. And yeah, but this is their GitHub. You don't see this, so they're definitely working. They're working on stuff, all right? Look at all this progress going on here. Look at all this. Look at all this. They're definitely making a lot of work done here. That's good. That's always great. I mean, look at all of this. Most projects have like a little blip, but look at all this work they've been getting done on GitHub. Amazing. Amazing. Absolutely. Now for the fun part. Woo! For the fun part, we're going to take a look at CryptoZombies. So basically, you just go to cryptozombies.io and it's free to start. You don't even need to make an account, but if you do make an account, it'll save your progress. So you can, without making an account, the first page just talks to you about how zombie DNA works, and it's basically just a little mathematical formula, but it'll change the appearance of your zombie. So what do? Well, we change the head gene, and you see the hair, the headpiece changes. Oh yeah, Santa zombie. The eye gene, I always like people with eyes like that. Yeah. And then we get the shirt gene. Ooh, bloody. Bloody. It's a bloody, buddy. It's like a zombie chef, but he's not. So anyways, shirt gene, a bloodied shirt. And then, no, I like the other one. This one. There we go. Yeah. Skin color, you can choose anything. Woo-wee. Pink. I mean, I kind of think zombies need to be kind of green. I like the green zombie, or blue. Green. There we go. Green zombies. Eye color. Ooh. I think the fuchsia. Purple fuchsia. That looks good. That looks good. And then clothes color. That'll change his pants and like the color of vomit on him. There we go. I think that Santa Claus one is great. So then you go to the next chapter. Boom. And already you get to do your own Hello World type of contract. So this is going to be your first contract. And really it's as simple as this. You read the stuff on the left, you write it on the right. So basically all you're going to be doing is you're going to create a Hello World contract. You're going to talk about which version of Solidity you're using, and then you're going to create a contract. The instructions are down here. So you're going to create a contract called Zombie Factory. You want to make sure your contract uses Solidity version 0.4.19 and you create an empty contract called Zombie Factory. So basically all you need to do is go up here and type. All right, so you're just going to type the up caret, wherever the hell that thing is. There it is. Boom. 0.4.19. And then, so that's that. And then on this line, you're going to create your contract. So you're going to have contract and call it Zombie Factory. And then open and close it. Boom. And let's see if that's correct. Booyah! Victory! I've triumphed. Lesson unlocked. Woo! And that is how you program on CryptoZombies. Guess what? I'm a blockchain programmer. I'm going to put that on my resume. I'm going to start applying for jobs as a blockchain developer because I'm going to be like, I can program shit now. We'll see about that. So, other than CryptoZombies, they do have a couple other dApps that they're working on. So CryptoZombies, yes, but Adventures of Ether Boy and Blockchain World, that sounds fun. Delegate Call already done. CryptoZombies Battlegrounds, blah. CryptoZombies Rancher. So yeah, a whole bunch of fun stuff coming out for Loom Network. You know, honestly, I am excited about Loom Network. I mean, when I saw that the price was shooting up and I missed it, I was a little bit butthurt. But I got over that, and I went and I took a look at the website, and I want to learn how to become a blockchain developer because guess what? They can get paid whatever they want. Like blockchain developers right now making like at least not at least, but on average like $250,000 a year. So if you want to make a lot of money, go learn to be a blockchain developer, make a shitload of money, or just make your own dApp and sell that and make a buttload of money. So I hope you guys enjoy that. That's my review of Loom. I am excited about it. I think the price could somewhat go up. I'm going to wait to buy back in maybe around 5,000 Satoshis. We'll see if it comes down to there and then I'll buy in. But yeah, this one definitely has potential if it gets a lot of dApps built because that way it becomes more valuable. So thank you for watching. If you guys haven't, make sure you click the subscribe button. Also like or don't like this video, whichever it is. And then I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.